Hi all, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to create seamless pattern very easily. If you turn this design into a pattern, let's see what happens. Now you can see each shape its own layer. Let's select any layer from layer window. Then go to edit menu and click on define pattern. Just rename it, then click on OK button. Pattern is created now. Now let's check how this pattern will be worked. For that, just click on adjustment layer, then choose pattern. Select the pattern that I have just created, which was this one. If we decrease the scale, have a look, some areas are broken. These shapes are not repeating correctly. Adobe team introduced a new feature called Pattern Preview in latest Photoshop 2021. Let's check out how it works. To create seamless pattern, go to View, then click on Pattern Preview. Just hit OK and ignore this dialog box. Zoom out the window. Have a look, it is absolutely continuous and seamless. This shape continued on the other side of the canvas. If we move this shape, you can see immediate update of pattern. Now you can go to edit and click define pattern. Give it a name and hit OK. Let's check out how it works. Before that, let's turn off the pattern preview. After that, select top layer. Then click on adjustment layer, then choose pattern. Select the last pattern which I just created. Then reduce the scale. You can see pattern without any issue. Thank you Photoshop team to save users valuable time. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell button to get latest updates.